course, you'd be adjusting right now.
Yeah, you want me to keep going?
No, I'll keep going. So
Yeah, I was going to say, you want me to keep going?
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Show you guys.
Caution, terrain. Caution, terrain. Terrain, terrain. Pull up. Terrain, terrain. Pull up.
If you need to.
Terrain, terrain, terrain,
Break it
terrain.
down, 20 degrees.
There you go. Chill out. And you can go all the way to the shaker if you need to, right? But don't bleed too much of your speed off. And you'll see we'll clear it. So at 14,600, looks like we were going to clear it, right?
Yeah.
Nice. So we're cleared.
Clear.
Woo! That leaves 23. What's going on?
Yeah.
Well, it's moving something
Thanks a lot.
straight out of mountains.
That leaves you 23. Turn right heading at 230. You can climb and maintain 17,000.
307.